In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a YouTube video on Pinterest. Now, this is a great way to promote your channel or if there's something you want to go ahead and share. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find the video that you would like to share. So in our example, we're going to be going ahead and sharing this tutorial right over here. And what you want to do first and foremost is you want to press over here where it says share. And then you'll notice that we are now going to get the YouTube link right over here. And you just want to press on copy just like that. All right, then once you guys have the link, head over to Pinterest and then go to your profile. Select over here where it says create, and then you want to select on pin. So what you want to do first of all is you want to drag a file and drop it there. So it could be like any image related to the video. So I do have the YouTube video thumbnail right over here, and the thumbnail is basically just the word for picture. So you'll notice that whenever you click on a YouTube video, there's like a little picture. That is what is called a thumbnail. And what you want to do is you want to go over here to where it says link, and then that's where you want to add the YouTube link. And then you can go ahead and copy the title, for example. So let's just put the title right here. And then let's put it again in the description. You can write more in the description if you want. And if you have a board, you can go ahead and choose a board if you would like. And we also do have tag topics. You guys also have the option to schedule this post. So if you want to post it later on, that is another thing that you guys have. But once you're done with that, go ahead and press on publish. And then check this out. If we go back to our profile, you will notice that it is going to be right here. And then people are able to go ahead and visit the site and begin watching the video, and they are able, and your video is going to get more promotion. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.